Legal contracts, features, strengths, weaknesses. Legal contracts is a contract lifecycle management (CLM) platform designed to streamline the creation, negotiation, and execution of legal agreements. Its core features include a centralized contract repository, automated workflows for approvals and renewals, robust search capabilities, and real-time collaboration tools. The platform supports version control, ensuring all parties are working with the latest document iteration, and offers integration with popular CRM, ERP, and e-signature solutions. Legal Contracts is tailored towards mid-sized to large enterprises with significant contract volume and complex legal requirements. It's particularly valuable for legal departments, procurement teams, sales organizations, and anyone requiring strict regulatory compliance. Key strengths include enhanced efficiency through automation, reduced risk by ensuring compliance, improved visibility into contract obligations, and better collaboration among stakeholders. The centralized repository eliminates version control issues and enables quick retrieval of contract information. Automated workflows streamline approval processes, reducing cycle times and minimizing errors. Real-time collaboration tools facilitate seamless communication and negotiation. However, Legal Contracts also presents certain weaknesses. The initial implementation can be complex and time-consuming, requiring significant configuration and data migration. The cost can be a barrier for smaller businesses, as it's typically priced on a per-user or enterprise basis, leading to a substantial upfront investment and ongoing subscription fees. The user interface, while functional, can be less intuitive than some competing CLM platforms, potentially requiring extensive training for some users. Furthermore, while Legal Contracts integrates with many common business applications, compatibility with niche or legacy systems may require custom development. Finally, its reliance on automation could lead to rigidity in highly customized or unusual contract scenarios. In conclusion, Legal Contracts offers a powerful suite of features for managing complex contract portfolios, making it an excellent choice for larger organizations prioritizing efficiency, compliance, and risk mitigation. However, smaller businesses or those with less complex contract needs should carefully evaluate the platform's cost and complexity against their specific requirements before committing to implementation. The platform's strengths lie in its automation capabilities and centralized repository, but potential users must consider the implementation overhead, ongoing costs, and potential limitations in highly customized scenarios.